How to delete orders from Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can delete orders from your Shopify in the easiest way. So to do this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be logging in with our Shopify account. Now once you do that, you're going to wait for things to load in, okay? It's really simple. As you can see, loaded in right quickly. Now, once things have loaded in, you're simply going to be going ahead to your products and orders. So here's your orders. So you're going to click on orders. And once you click on orders, it's going to open up the order section over here. Now, normally you're going to have an order filled section over here. Obviously, if you want to know how you're going to delete orders, I assume you do have orders. So even if we come up here, this is basically what the order section is going to look like. Okay. And you're going to see the status on the right hand side as well. You know, if the payment status is paid, fulfillment status is fulfilled or not, so you can fulfill orders. So what you are going to be doing if you want to go ahead and delete orders for yourself is basically you're going to open up the order section. So basically what I mean by that is, you know, any orders that you have, you're going to click on them and you're going to open them up. So obviously you also need the upper plans for orders. You know, without the upper plans, you cannot see your orders over here. So to delete the plans, you're going to open the actual orders you have. So as you can see, this person has gone to their orders, they've opened it up, and in the bottom, so you're going to basically scroll to the bottom of your orders section. So, you know, this section that you have over here, you're going to scroll to the bottom. And once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see an option like this, which is going to say delete this order. And you're going to click on this order, and that will basically delete this order from your store. Okay, it's not only going to cancel the order, but it's going to delete the order fulfilled. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.